In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start trading through Forex.com on TradingView. This process is straightforward and designed to help you maximize your trading potential by combining the analytical power of TradingView with the trusted brokerage services of Forex.com. Let's get started by logging into TradingView with your credentials. Make sure you have all your login details handy, as this will save you time and help you get up and running quickly. Once you're logged in, head over to www.tradingview.com/chart. Here, you'll find the Trading Panel, an essential tool that provides a comprehensive view of your trading options and statuses. Within this panel, you're going to select Forex.com as your broker. To do this, you need to log in using either a live or demo account, whichever suits your current trading needs. It's crucial to know that this service is available for customers with Forex Trader accounts. If you have an MT4 account, you can still log in, but note that trading through this interface is not supported. Much like on Forex.com, where MT4 accounts can access Forex Trader but are restricted from trading. Now, if you do not yet have an account with Forex.com, don't worry. You can easily open one by visiting http://www.forex.com and open an account. This step is pretty simple. Just follow the instructions provided on their webpage to set up your account. After logging in, you'll see 4 tabs: Positions, Orders, Account Summary, and Notifications Log. These are your go-to places for tracking and managing your trades and notifications. In particular, the Orders tab is split into several columns to display the different order statuses clearly. You'll also notice a gray line connecting key values from the Account Summary, making it easier to keep track of your account details at a glance. There's a menu in the top right corner of the trading panel that offers additional functionalities. From here, you can adjust trading properties, disconnect, or even select another broker if needed. Your account ID and currency are also displayed here, helping you to verify your details with ease. When it's time to place an order, you have several options. You can do this directly through the trading panel. Use the Chart Context menu, select from the Chart plus Sign menu, or go directly through the Buy-Sell options. Opening an order ticket gives you control over various parameters. You can set the price, stop loss, and take profit values using pips or absolute prices. Additionally, if you'd like to calculate the amount, you have the choice to do it manually or utilize the risk/reward ratio feature. Don't forget, you can specify how long an order remains active by setting its duration. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy trading, and make the most out of your time on TradingView with Forex.com.